Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Fluent School Studio. In this video, I will explain how to speak English fluent in 2025 step by steps. If you follow this step, and your English will definitely improve. So do not scroll this video. This video only made for you, and you will get lots of things after watching in this video and while watching this video. So don't skip. It is my humble request to all of you. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you some steps. I will tell you the step 8. Okay, in 8 step I will in this video. So do not wasting your time. Don't wasting your time in others video. This is only informative videos, and in this video, if you really watch in this video, you will improve your communication skill in English. We don't know how we can speak in English. That's why I thought we should make a video for my audience who supported me, who follows me. So the first is where I told you that, and the second step is that step being afraid of grammar. We don't know. We are always scared and failing about the grammar because we think grammar is a very tough, and it is a very hard for us. It is not really. If you really learn the grammars, then you will understood it is not very difficult. It is only easy if you understood about grammar. So don't afraid and don't scared about the grammars, and don't be shy. You don't need to perfect starting time. Well, when we suppose that if, for example, a child, he don't knows about the any language, but he don't fear about the speaking, how we can speak directly correct. First of all, we have to make some mistake. After make mistake, we learn about those mistakes. Without mistakes, you can't learn any new skill, any language, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, so don't avoid these things. Try to speak without grammar. Grammar will improve your sentences. Grammar will improve your communication English. If you think how we can start speaking English, then you will never start. That's why I am telling you, start. Whatever you made, it is wrong, it is right, it doesn't matter. For as a beginner, in the beginner time, we don't know about any skill. Like I'm a content creator, and in the study time I made lots of mistakes. Those mistakes I don't know because I don't have any knowledge about the content creation journey. That's why I made the lots of mistakes. After I am learning, I am studying about this journey, how we can improve our content creation journey, how we can learn the shooting, how we can learn the editing, how we can learn the graphic designing, how we can upload the content. I try, always try. That's why right now I have been improved my content creation journey. So don't be afraid of grammar. It is not a hard, it is not a difficult, it is easy when you understood. Okay, the third step is listen to English every day. If you really want to speak fluently like this, I am a beginner. I am not a well educated, I am not a fluent school skill. I have no any. I have lots of skill, but I am not expert on these skills. But because I am a student, and now I am learning, I am analyzing about this field. That's why. So listen English. So listen English every day. Whatever, if you watch any videos, any contents, any reel, whatever you are using application like Insta, Facebook, YouTube, Google's, whatever, it doesn't matter. But you should always, and you must always watch the English video at least 30 minutes, 1 hours at least. 31 hours only using only watching the English videos. Whatever you want to watch, like you also watch the English reels, English movies, English web series, English videos on YouTube. There are lots of content in English language. If you really want to learn, then you search the internet, then you will get a lot of content. Those content, they're made by only English language using. So you can use and speak always English, then you will definitely improve your English. The fourth point is, before making this video, I have not this point, those point I have not here. This is the my script copy. Without copy I can't make the videos, because how, in which types of step I will explain, we don't know. That's why I note the step by step, then I explain. I am sitting here, then I am trying to explain how we can explain to my audience. The fourth number is speak English daily. So uh, for learning English, you don't need to only reading the books. Like here, this is the copy. For example, suppose that it is a book, okay, and there is a paragraph only is written by only is written by English language, and now I am reading it is this that whatever, it doesn't matter. If I only read in English, then I will never learn, I will never confident, I will never improve my communication English. So you can start speaking. You don't need to learn, first of all, you don't need to learn how can I learn the tense. You don't need any tense, you don't need any grammar, you don't need any partner. Okay, in your smartphone is it is easier. With your smartphone you can easily talk with your mirror, like in front of mirror you can speak easily. In front of the camera, record your voice with English in front of the camera. Like I am shooting the content, and right now I am using the only English language, and I will try to improve my communication skill in English. That's why you speak whatever you say in the wrong sentence, it the right sentence, it doesn't matter. Without making, you will not learn any language, any new skill. Those skill you don't know anyhow. You have to speak, then you will learn. And the fifth point is that think in English. Whatever we are thinking in Hindi, and do not try to translate your language to in English. If you are trying your language to your English, then you will not learn easy. It is not easy. Only thing, for example, I am sitting here, I am making the videos, I will go to market, and this type of thing. I am always studying. I know each and everything in about the social media journey. I have lots of things. I have a car, I have a mobile, whatever you have, it doesn't matter. Think in English. Don't think in Hindi. Okay, just try to think in English. Do not focus on how we can translate Hindi to English in your or language to into English. Do not try these things. Try to speak thinking in English. If you think English, then you can easily speak in front of a lot of people. It doesn't matter. The sixth point is learn vocabulary in a smart way. Suppose that in when we went any classes, that time the teacher always taught us you should learn lots of word meanings. Okay, so you don't need to learn the 100,000, 20,000 word meanings in a day. You only need to 10 words, at least 10 or 5. It's enough for beginners student. Okay, if you remember 10 or 5 vocabulary words, and those words you have to speak in your sentences, what you will say. And while speaking you have to use this word. Okay, then you will get you will understand easily. And the seventh point is use your mobile phone for learning. And nowadays we are using our mobile phone for only watching any videos, entertainment, comedy, whatever. It doesn't matter. We don't know how we can use the mobile phone. It is easy, it is good for us. It is did uh, did, did I don't know how can I explain this word. How we can explain, I don't know. Advantage, disadvantage for us, we don't know. So use your mobile phone in a good way. You can use your mobile phone for learning your communication skill. Like you want to learn English, then you must watch English videos, English content, listen podcast in a English language, listen YouTube videos, English content. And listening is one of the most important thing for everyone. Okay, the last point is practice every single day. Without practice you can't be a perfection. Don't focus on perfection. How we can be a perfection, it is not a good thing. If you always try to practice makes us perfections. So don't focus directly perfection. I suppose that right now I didn't speak. I thought if I speak there, then I will become that thing. Without saying how we can improve my communication. And only communications, without communication, without speaking, you will not improve your communication. If you want to improve your communication, then you have to speak. Anyhow, you have to speak in front of a mirror, in front of your camera, in front of your mentor, in front of your parents, in front of your friends, in front of a lots of people. But you have to speak for improving your communication English skill. If you want to improve your Hindi communication, then you have to speak in Hindi. If you want to improve English, then you have to must speak in English. That is the point. So if you really want to learn how we can learn English, then follow and subscribe my YouTube channel Fluent Skill Studio, and share it. Like, if you enjoy this video, like it, share it, and comment below. I will speak fluent English. Thank you for watching my content. See you in the next video.